Couple things I'm gonna talk about. Los Angeles Archive, they got a drop coming up today. Arpo Vision, they had a drop the other day. A little bit of pump fakage going on. Yeah, man, let's get into it. You feel me?
Let me get it dough.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create. I am back with another video. As you can see, a lot going on, so I'm multitasking right now. I'm cleaning up my little studio / work area. Wanted to talk about some things while I do that, so that we can get back on track, man, because I do have a new computer now, so editing won't be a problem no more. You know what I'm saying? We back in the game. We shouldn't have no more problems. Anyway, Arpo Vision, I don't know, man. They kind of digging themselves a hole with me a little bit. Like, for one, they sent me that little ass jacket with no size tag in it, so I don't know if it was really an extra large or not. Yeah, they mainline Yeezy Gap stuff is a little bit more expensive than everybody else. Yeah, straight to. And then now they did this with the 2020 Vision hoodies, which I don't know. I could be wrong, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think they really had them. I don't think they really dropped them. But hey, it is what it is. Can't cry with spilled milk. Can't do nothing about it now, so throw these hats up here real quick. Other news, the big news, really, Los Angeles Archive today, 3 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Pacific time, they will be doing a little drop, man. For one, they dropping more Dove hoodies. I don't really need another Dove hoodie. I got one, it's all good. They are also dropping the bag. I don't know what this bag, I can't remember what this bag is from or whatever. Y'all can do the research on that if you want to. I'm not interested in that at all, whatever. Don Damas, they are dropping more of those today. I don't know, I might grab a Don Damas, man. Go ahead for the aesthetic, you feel me? Go ahead and get right. Maybe, we'll see. The big thing a lot of people I seen excited about, not me as much, the 3D printed boot. Good thing, good item to have in the collection though. It definitely is a collector's item for sure. But depending on the price, I ain't finna just buy it for a collector's item. Supposedly somebody saying these will be fakes because they can't release them because of the company. Can't remember the name off the top of my head. The company that made them, I guess supposedly owns the rights. Who knows? I don't know. Either way, they are dropping the 3D printed Yeezy boots today. Them shits is big as hell. I don't know nothing about sizing on them. Yeah, whatever. But go for what you know, man. Not really an exciting drop to me. I'm not really, looking forward to none of this stuff. Like I said, I already got a Dove hoodie. Chances are the quality could be better if I did purchase another one, but I'm satisfied with the quality of the one that I got. Not interested at all in that bag. Might grab a Don Damas, but I don't know, I would have to put like a Yeezy Gap pack together with it or something, you know what I'm saying? Something to get over $100 at least, because the shipping, you know how it go. It did say it'll be 2 waves of drops, so I don't know if they dropping the same stuff both waves or if it's gonna be 2 different waves. I don't know how they doing it. All I know is they saying that after today's drop, they will announce the dates and times for the second drop. However, that second drop will be more focused towards the Asian time zone, I guess they said, or whatever. So I don't know if that means they gonna drop at a time that's more convenient for them and we'll still get it, or if it's just strictly for Asian time zone. I don't know. We'll see how it work out, man. The way they worded it is informative, but at the same time kind of vague. So I don't know if we'll get in on that second wave. I don't know if the people in the other time zone are getting in on this first wave, but we'll see. Also, it'll be interesting to see if they drop anything else today outside of the Dove hoodies, because we know they like to give us surprises. So we shall see. Anyway, man, your boy Mike Dub signing out. I'm gonna finish cleaning up this room. Peace, love. Wait a minute, hold on. The word for the day is real men don't ask for help. And that's our problem. It's your boy Mike Dub. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you going for any of these items today. Last but not least, please show your support for an underground YouTuber trying to emerge by hitting that subscribe button and ringing that notification bell. That way you can lock in with all my new content. And yeah, man, you already know what it is for me. Peace, love, I'm gone.